I don't think people understand how easy it can be to fix a stuck car hatch. You don't always need a mechanic. Let's walk through it together. First, check if your key fob battery is dead. Try unlocking the hatch with the button on your car door. Still stuck? Move to step 2. Check for obstructions. Sometimes a piece of cargo or debris is blocking the latch. Clear it out, then try opening the hatch again. If it's still not working, look for a manual release. This is usually a small lever inside the cargo area. You might need to fold back a seat or look under the hatch trim. Pull the lever and see if the hatch pops open. Next, inspect the latch mechanism. If it's dirty or rusty, spray a little lubricant, like WD-40, on the latch. Move it gently to work the lubricant in. Try opening the hatch again. If none of these steps work, the problem might be electrical or mechanical inside the hatch. At this point, it's best to call a mechanic. Remember, most stuck hatches have a simple fix. Stay calm, follow these steps, and you'll be back on the road in no time.